Hi, let's practice your English no subtitles. I will tell you a story of how I almost drowned in Costa Rica. One day, I decided to go solo travel to Costa Rica, and I really wanted to go swimming in the ocean. So I went swimming, and there was lots of surfers surfing on the ocean. But there were so many surfers everywhere. So I swam to somewhere that had no surfers. This was very stupid because I swam to where the water was very strange. I was swimming for 20 minutes and decided, okay, I think it's time to go back to the shore. But then I kept swimming and swimming and swimming, and I couldn't get back to the shore. And I felt panicked because I couldn't get back. But I said, okay, let's be calm and try to swim around. But then a huge wave hits me and I go under the wave and my lungs fill with so much water. I get so scared. And then I start waving, frantically, help me. And a surfer calls somebody. She needs help, she needs help, she needs help. And two surfers come and swim, and they take me and throw me onto a surfboard. And they drag me out, and I was alive. And I felt so embarrassed. But I learned that you must be really careful about rip tides because I got stuck in a rip tide. Not rip tide, rip current? Oh, maybe it was called a rip current. I think it was called a rip current. So be very careful about rip currents and learn how to navigate them because they can really injure you. That is my story. Okay, follow for more no subtitles and tell me one time of if you have ever drowned almost before. Have you almost drowned? Am I alone?